if
We're very close to
case
it.
po na hindi ma-approve yung motion?
We're very close to filing the plunder charges, but we still have to cross the T's and dot some I's and probably put periods in sentences. Yun na lang, ganun kalapit na yan. That's why I didn't deliberately talk about that. Pero the cases are just about ready for preliminary investigation. Mamaya paliliwanag din ko yung concept ng preliminary investigation kung bakit kinakailangan. Kasi maraming hindi nakakaunawa, but na-imbestigan nyo na, meron na naman PI. Eh, ganun po talaga ang lipunan na may sistema ng batas na pinangangalagaan ang karapatan ng bawat isang nasa sakdal. Kaya meron tayong preliminary investigation para to protect the rights of people who may be accused of any crime. But we can explain it better later.
But sir, will it still stand without Secretary Bonoan testifying?
Ano yan eh, alam mo, when it comes to a case like that, it's not as simple as you want it to be. You're talking about layers and layers of lawyers, people who will defend up to and go to any extent to defend their client. So hindi ganun kadali. Pero we were managing to thread the needle, so to speak. Kasi para ka dumadaan sa butas ng karayom, pag pinag-aaralan mo, yung taong marunong na at maraming pera at marurunong nga abogado. Sinasabi ko na, from the first day that I took office here, ang kalaban namin dito, the people with who have the best lawyers money can buy.